Um, Good morning, teacher and classmate. Today I will talk about your interviews. Your interviews is very important because it helps companies new application better. In this presentation, I will expression, preparation, communication, and professional attitude in an interview. And what is a hot interview? A your interview is a conversation between an explorer and a culture. The company was to new is a person is California for a year. During an interview, they evaluate communication, experience, personality, and attitude. A good interview can help a better opportunity. Preparation before the interview. Preparation is very important before an interview. First, you should research a company and your is mission and service. Second, you must better and for common question. As is important either professionally and are things because partial shows responsibility and respect. Communication during the interviews. Communication is very important during interviews. You should speak clean and confident. Eye contact is held should secure and interest. It, it is also important to leader came for to the interviews. Good communication creates a positive impression. Con no interviews question. In my interviews, explore each common question. For example, tell me about yourself. Or what do you what is your should or honesty and professionally is important to mention your skill, good and positive attitudes, practicing help reduce nerves. Professional attitude skills. Professional skills are also important in your interview. You must be respectful and responsible. Importable build people with good attitude and teamwork skills. A positive attitude can make a difference during an interview process. And conclusion. In conclusion, your interview is very important for professional development, profession, communication, and professional skill asset. It's your practice and still confidence I can have better your opportunity in the future. Thank you for your attention.